students, I'm Madam Joyce Nyoni from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, and today I'll be with you to discuss our topic which is found in class level Form 5. And here, my students, we are going to discuss the comparative of natural groups of organisms. And here, our main concern of today, we are going to discuss the kingdom Animalia. This kingdom Animalia, we have already looked at it on the last session, that we have seen the little bit introduction on the kingdom Animalia, and also we have mentioned 5 phylum which is found in this division, in this kingdom Animalia. And tukasema kwenye kila phylum tutaanza kudiscuss phylum moja baada ya phylum nyingine, na tulianza kuiona phylum ya kwanza kabisa ambayo inaitwa phylum Platelmintes. Kwa kwenye phylum Platelmintes tukaangalia a little bit introduction and the organisms that are found in the phylum Platelmintes, and thereafter tukaenda mbali zaidi kwa kudiscuss the general characteristics, and hapo ndipo tulipoishia. So here in our today's session, now we are going to proceed looking on the general characteristics which is found in this phylum Platelmintes. And the first F here we are saying that they exhibit bilateral symmetry. The organisms which are found in this phylum Platelmintes, they exhibit bilateral symmetry, meaning that this organism, when you are dissecting this organism, unasema kwamba ukidissect this organism, you get only two parts which are equal. And these characteristics of bilateral symmetry is the characteristics of the whole kingdom Animalia, except organisms that we have mentioned on the last session, that are Nidarians together with the sponge, which exhibit different kinds of symmetry. But the rest of the organisms which are found in this kingdom Animalia, they possess bilateral symmetry. And apart from that, also we have another characteristics here. We are saying that they have a very simple nervous system with the two nerve cords which runs down on their side of their body. Hii inamaanisha kwamba organism wanaopatikana ndani ya hii phylum Platelmintes, tunasema kwamba hawa organism wanakuwa na simple nervous system, wanapossess simple nervous system. And the simple nervous system is the primitive nervous system. And this primitive nervous system, it only contains two nerve cords. Hizo nerve cords zinapatikana on the side of their body. And also we have seen that they have two simple brain called ganglia, which are simple bundle of nerve. What does that mean? Tunasema kwamba pia hawa organism they have a simple brain, kwa maana kwamba ile brain yao inakuwa inaitwa, structure yake ya brain inaitwa ganglia. And this ganglia, which is the simple band of nerves, kwa ina maana concentration of different kinds of nerves zikiwa sehemu moja, ndipo ambapo sasa inatengeneza structure ya ganglia. And that ganglia is the simple brain that is found in this phylum Platelmintes. Also, we have another characteristics here. We are saying that some have two eye spots that help in sensing the presence of light. Hii inamaanisha nini? Kwa maana kwamba hawa organism wanaopatikana ndani ya hii phylum Platelmintes, tunasema they possess eye spots. His eye spots ndizo zinazowasaidia hawa organism wakiwa kwenye different kinds of environment to detect the presence of light while they are in their host or they are free living. How can they detect the presence of host? It's due to the presence of these eye spots. And this eye spots is not for the whole organism which are found in this phylum Platelmintes. So there's some of organism that they possess this structure which is called the eye spot for the sensation of light. Also, my student, we have another characteristic here. We are saying that some Platelmintes have hooks and suckers for attachment. Example, we have this Platelmintes Taenia solium, Taenia sagnata ambayo hapa tuna tapeworms, and we have this Fasciola hepatica, and that is a liver fluke. organism wote wanaopatikana ndani ya hii phylum Platyhelminthes, tunasema kwamba some Platyhelminthes, they have suckers and the hooks. The presence of the suckers and the hooks, we will going later on to discuss on the structure of this organism. This structure help this organism for the anchorage in their environment or in their specific environment that they found. So wanatumia hii sucker ili kwenda kujiattach, kujishikiza kwenye their host cell au kwenye their substrate. And a good example of the organism that they process a sucker and the hook, here we have this Tyrniasorium na huyu Tyrnia sagnata, ambao kwa ujumla the common name that is found here, this is the tapeworm. And also we have this Fasciola hepatica, here we are talking about the liver fluke. So hizo ndio characteristics, the general characteristic that is found in this phylum Platyhelminthes. So pia tunasema kwamba most members of this phylum are parasite. Most members of this organism which are found in this phylum Platyhelminthes, they are parasites, while others they are free living. For example, here we have this Planaria. So the rest of the organisms which are found in this phylum Platyhelminthes, they are parasitic in nature. They live in parasitic mode. So they cause harm to other organisms. Except one organism here which is called Planaria. We're going to see later on when we are discussing the classification of these organisms which are found in the phylum Platyhelminthes. Kwa hiyo sasa huyu organism ambaye anaitwa Planaria ndiyo ambaye anaweza akaishi in the free living without depending on the other host. So my students, after we have seen now the general characteristics that is found in the phylum Platyhelminthes, now I would like to welcome you again, my student, on looking the characteristic, the classification of the phylum Platyhelminthes. So here we are discussing the classification of Platyhelminthes. Common Platyhelminthes fall into 3 classes. Platyhelminthes wote wanaojulikana, they fall on 3 classes. The first class here we have class Cestoda. The second class we have Trematoda. The third class we have Tubellaria. So we are going to see one after another what kind of organisms that are found in Cestoda, Trematoda, and Tubellaria. So we have to know those organisms which are found in those classes. So when we are starting looking on the classes Cestoda now, we are saying that on classes Cestoda consists of the endoparasite animals such as tapeworms, including Tyrniasorium, the pork tapeworm, and we have this Dipallidium caninum ambaye huyu anapatikana kwenye dog tapeworm, and we have this Tyrnia sagnata ambayo anapatikana kwenye beef tapeworm. Kwenye hii klasi Cestoda tumesema organism wote wanaopatikana kwenye klasi Cestoda they are endoparasite, meaning that they are parasitize organism in the internal environment. So they live in the organism, they live in the host, internal host. Kwa kama kwenye, for example, here we have this pork tapeworm anaishi ndani ya nyama ya nguruwe. Kwa inside of the body of this organism ndipo ambapo utakuta hawa tapeworm, especially within the muscles. And not only that, we have this dog tapeworm wanapatikana ndani ya muscles of that dog. And also we have this beef tapeworm. A good example of the beef here, we are talking about the cow. Kwa unakuta hawa tapeworm wengine wanapatikana ndani ya nyama ya cow. So those are the Cestoda. Apart from that, we have another class which is the class Trematoda. This Trematoda comprises of the flukes, ambaye hapa tutaona tunaye huyu Fasciola hepatica ambaye mainly here we are talking about the liver fluke, and the blood fluke ambaye anaitwa Schistosoma haematobium, and this Schistosoma mansoni. Hawa ndio organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya klasi Trematoda. The blood fluke, tunasema ni liver fluke kwa sababu mwenyewe ni endoparasite, kwa maana kwamba ana affect the liver. Kwa huyu analeta shida kwenye the liver, ana invade the liver, thereafter anaishi kule kwenye liver, kwa ana multiply, anazaliana ndani ya liver. We have the last phylum, class here, which is found in this phylum Platyhelminthes, which is called class Tubellaria. Ndani ya hii class Tubellaria, my student, we have a free living worm ambaye anaitwa Planaria. They are flatworms. So organism ambayo inapatikana ndani ya hii phylum ambayo tunaita Tubellaria, mostly here we are talking about the Planaria. So huyu ndio organism ambaye anapatikana ndani ya Platyhelminthes mwenyewe tu, ambaye anaweza kaishi in the free living form. A good example here, we have said that is a Planaria.